5 best dropshipping suppliers in Georgia. Georgia is becoming an increasingly popular hub for dropshipping suppliers, thanks to its strategic location and growing network of reliable companies. Whether you're based in Georgia or looking to source products with faster delivery across the U.S., Georgia-based suppliers can give you an edge in your dropshipping business. In today's video, we'll highlight the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Georgia to help you elevate your store. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Georgia. These suppliers are perfect for online sellers who want reliable shipping, high-quality products, and efficient service from US-based companies. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss our supplier reviews, e-commerce tips, and dropshipping strategies. Let's jump right in. At number 5, CWI Gifts. Kicking off our list at number 5 is CWI Gifts, a trusted dropshipping supplier based in Georgia. What they offer: CWI Gifts specializes in home decor, seasonal items, and gift products. Their catalog includes candles, rustic decor, and holiday-themed goods. Why they're great for dropshipping. With a focus on unique, high-quality items, CWI Gifts is ideal for dropshippers targeting the home goods and gift markets. Fast shipping. As a US-based supplier, CWI Gifts ensures fast delivery times to your customers. If you're looking to add charming home decor and gifts to your store, CWI Gifts is a fantastic option to consider. At number 4, the hair diagram. Coming in at number 4 is the Hair Diagram, a supplier specializing in hair and beauty products. What they offer: the Hair Diagram provides premium hair extensions, wigs, and hair care products, making them a perfect supplier for the beauty niche. Why they're popular. Their products are high quality and cater to the growing demand for hair and beauty items in e-commerce. Dropshipping. Ready. They support dropshipping, so you don't have to worry about holding inventory or managing shipping. If your store is focused on beauty and hair care, the Hair Diagram is a reliable and well-known supplier based in Georgia. At number 3, Liberty House. Toys. Next up at number 3 is Liberty House Toys, a Georgia-based supplier specializing in children's products. What they offer: Liberty House Toys provides a wide range of kids' furniture, educational toys, and activity sets. Their products are designed to be both fun and functional. Why it's great for dropshipping. They offer unique and high-quality items, helping your store stand out in the children's products market. Shipping and service. Based in Georgia, Liberty House Toys ensures fast and efficient delivery to U.S. customers. If your niche includes children's toys and furniture, Liberty House Toys is a great partner to have for your dropshipping business. At number 2, Atlanta Light Bulbs. Coming in at number 2 is Atlanta Light Bulbs, a leader in lighting solutions for homes and businesses. What they offer: Atlanta Light Bulbs specializes in energy-efficient LED lighting, fixtures, and specialty bulbs for residential and commercial use. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their extensive inventory and US-based operations make them a reliable supplier for dropshippers in the home improvement or lighting niche. Fast fulfillment. Orders ship quickly from their Georgia warehouse, ensuring customer satisfaction with fast delivery. If your store focuses on home improvement or energy-efficient solutions, Atlanta Light Bulbs is a top supplier to consider. At number 1, Fair. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Fair, a wholesale platform connecting you to multiple Georgia-based suppliers. What they offer. Fair provides access to a variety of products, including clothing, accessories, beauty items, home goods, and more. Many of their suppliers are based in Georgia. Why they're the best. Fair allows you to discover local and US-based suppliers with no upfront costs, making it perfect for dropshippers. Flexible shipping options. Fair's network of suppliers ensures reliable and fast shipping across the U.S. If you're looking for flexibility and a wide range of Georgia-based suppliers, Fair is the ultimate platform for your dropshipping needs. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Georgia. Let's quickly recap the list. 1. Fair, best overall for connecting with Georgia-based suppliers across multiple categories. 2. Atlanta Light Bulbs, perfect for home improvement and energy-efficient lighting. 3. Liberty House Toys, great for children's furniture and educational toys. 4. The Hair Diagram, ideal for beauty and hair care products. 5. CWI Gifts, a fantastic source for home decor and seasonal gifts. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your business? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more supplier reviews and strategies to grow your online store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.